Rube Goldberg was an American author, cartoonist, inventor, and engineer who lived from 1883 to 1970. He is famous for his complicated and absurd machine designs, which he called Rube Goldberg machines. People other than Rube Goldberg have continued to design these machines, and even if they aren't designed by Rube Goldberg, they're still called Rube Goldberg machines. These machines are comically designed to perform a very simple task in a very complicated way, such as water a plant, crack an egg, turn off a light switch, remove sand from your shoe, water the lawn, remind you to mail a letter, or open a window. These machines use an array of everyday objects and mechanical devices to set off a chain reaction. A popular spin-off of these machines is the Mousetrap board game. Rube Goldberg machines continue to be popular today and are used as a form of entertainment and education. Their creativity, ingenuity, and humor make us laugh and inspire us to think outside the box. One last thing, if you haven't already seen it, be sure to check out OK Go's YouTube music video, This Too Shall Pass, to see a real-life Rube Goldberg machine in action. Thanks for watching. It would be a huge support to me if you would subscribe. Be sure to check out the other amazing art lessons and art tutorials on my channel, Rainbow Parrot Art.